Okay, so people, this is one of the most interesting videos. It is a technical video. As you can see, we are inside the property of Bansal classes, and they had awarded us with a beautiful project of zone announcement system. It is a paging microphone system which is also integrated with emergency announcement system. So we had a task of uh, doing this project in a building which is very huge with ground and 5 floors. So as you can see, we have a server rack, and inside it we have dedicated control units and we have the amplifiers. So what we did was we have created 9 zones and we have left space for 3 more zones. And in front of you, you can see the zonal paging system, the microphone. And this is a list which we will be handing over to the client of all the zones, which includes their digital studio and classrooms and lobbies, and along with that, computer lab and library section. So right now the system is being used by the director. We have given 3 microphone inputs, and one system will be able to make roughly around 40 to 45 zones. We have created only 9, and inside it you can see there are multiple buttons. We can make group 1, group 2. We can also independently control the zones. You can see the light is, the LED is blinking busy because maybe on the ground floor director is using the microphone. And we can also make an all call, and it has a chime button, so in case if someone is wanting to make an announcement and they are wanting to intimate the public, intimate the students, they can use the chime button. So now the system is being used, so this function is busy, and we have the zone 2 light blinking, and they'll shift it to zone 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively on the dedicated floors inside the classroom. For reference, as we are inside the property, this is the digital studio, and inside the studio we have placed the emergency announcement speaker, naming it as zone 1. So similarly we have dedicated different zones. This is the kitchen area. This is the classroom segment. This is another zone. So we have tested and handed over the site, and finally I'm getting some time to make a short video. This is director's room, in which we have given microphone number 2. As you can see, on the ground floor the third mic is being used by the main person, so the LED is blinking. More or less now the rooms are locked and we are in classroom 2, and we have the emergency speaker here. So this is how emergency systems operate, and we have used oxygen free cables. These are tinned copper TC cables, which are the most premium of their quality, and along with that we have used speaker cables, 200 to 300 meter bundles, depending on what exactly is the height of the building. This was a very interesting video. I have covered most of the in-depth details. One last thing which I would be adding in this video is we have connected common and 100-volt speaker lines so that we do not face any form of audio signal loss. So usually losses are up to 7 to 11%, and we have used 100-volt lines and we have reduced the loss to 1%, which is a very big achievement, and we have given scope for adding more speakers to our client. I hope you all might be able to understand the technicalities involved in this video, and that's all about it. Thank you.